Hi, I have in front of me a first aid kit. It's a 106-piece set and it's available with low cost small parcel shipping directly from freetv.ie. So the contents have been taken out already, but you can see the outer thing here, just a little zip, and there's a little storage location for each of the component parts to go inside it here, okay? So it's a nice little zippable kit. So just to cover the main things in it, you have tweezers, you have scissors, we have various type of wound dressing from 7 millimeter, 10 millimeter, or 7 centimeter, 10 centimeter. We have a total of, I think, 15 safety pins here, and then we have the various different types of wipes, from sting relief to just about 3 or 4 different types of alcohol wipes to antiseptic wipes, etc. There's a blanket here, there's a triangulation bandage here as well. I think this is the CPR unit kit here. And then what we have here is just 2 gloves, and then eventually there's some more dressings and actual bandages as well. And then there's just this saline liquid here as well, and tape. So overall, we'll say it's a pretty comprehensive kit. We just decided to add it on simply because we have a good range of products and PPE, tools and PPE products, things like this. This struck me as just a pretty comprehensive kit, good price point, and we just know it'll sell relatively well on our website, which is freetv.ie.